reports of an increasing number of home buyers across China who are refusing to repay mortgage loans for delayed projects. What is the extent of the problem, and what bearing does it have on defaults and credit quality at the major banks?
Hi, thank you. Yeah, I think we think besides the mortgages who are affected by the COVID restriction, and more of the mortgages of the mortgage boycott is more of willingness than inability issues. So we think the main appeal of those mortgages is to force the regulator and the banks and the government to get in and quicker and to resume, find a better way to resume construction, and rather than stopping the mortgage repayment. So we think the imminent impact to the banks system is small, and according to the responses of 17 commercial banks, actually the directly affected loans only accounted for 0.01% of the total loan mortgages, and according to our scenario analysis, and there are the eventual losses to the banks, the credit portfolio is about 0.2% to 2% of the total loans. So I think this, though the imminent impact to the banks' credit quality is small, but this reflects the challenging liquidity conditions of the private developers.
It does. Iris, and you've singled out China Merchants Bank and Ping An Bank as having the biggest exposure to this issue. Where does that leave their fair value estimates?
I think given the trend is not quite favorable to those retail-oriented banks, which has a larger than peer exposure to the wealth management business and also the credit card retail consumptions. So that's why we slightly lower the fair value estimate of these two banks.